कोई हम पसंद नहीं करते। इसके चक्कर में क्या होता है, आवर लाइफ बिकम हेल।
Yes.
नो, जिंदगी नरक बन जाती है कि वी डोंट लव द थिंग व्हाट वी हैव। एंड इफ यू वांट टू satisfy yourself, start loving what you have. Try to plug these stars, but if you're not able to plug these stars, make your stars.
Yes.
Simple. It's said very beautiful. I just read a book, You Can Win. That's very beautiful book. If you want to read, you can read. Okay, written by Shiv Khera, right? Very beautiful book. In that book, it was written very beautiful line. That was, 85% people are not happy with their employers, right? They're not happy in their jobs. Only 15% people are happy. If you want to be motivated, if you want to be pleased, if you want to be interested, and most importantly, if you want to learn English, watch this video completely. This video is going to be an asset for you to know English and how to converse in English. Because this video is not, very big video, but this video is very useful for you, right? Because I'm sitting with my student, okay, and he is an example for you, and he and we belong to village, okay, and we are going to make you understand about the beautiful language English and many more things. You will come to know about a lot of things, motivations and many things, right? Being here is very, being with you is very great, but actually,
Yes.
okay, accepting invitation needs courage, okay? Yeah, actually, right, because speaking English is not very easy here, right, in our village, in our area, in our city, by the way. Whenever we want to speak English, okay, and whenever we speak English, people, try to stop us. They make a
Yes.
lot of, jokes, okay, and many more things, right? There, some repeated statements, and everybody knows what are those statements, right? So we should not worry about those guys here. Understand? The world will have, questions always for you.
Yes.
आपको
One thing
करना
is-
क्या है? You should not reply all the questions, okay? You should duck the questions, right? क्रिकेट का समय चल रहा है अभी, आईपीएल का वक्त चल रहा है. अगर कोई बॉलर आपको बाउंसर देता है तो क्या करना है? You need to do that? No. You need to क्या करना है? झुक के सलाम करना है. जाने दो उस बॉल को, right? If you touch that, what will happen? You will be out, right? ना, in the life also apply this thing. हर बॉल पे बल्ला नहीं हराना है, right? You should not reply everyone. Understand? Let them talk. Let them laugh. Let them bark.
As there is if you have a positive person with you, that there will be also a negative person with you,
Right.
that will affect you, and say that will affect you from internally.
Right? It's fine. Actually, that should not affect us. वो
Yes.
करना ही क्यों चाहिए हमारे को affect? Understand? ये तब affect करता है when you're not busy with yourself, when you don't know yourself. इसीलिए तो आज वीडियो का मैंने टाइटल रखा है Let's know ourselves. है ना?
Yes.
खुद को जानने की कोशिश करते हैं. इसके लिए you have to give some time to yourself. Give some quality time to yourself.
Yes.
Sit with yourself. Try to know yourself. Try to clarify a lot of things like what you want to achieve, what you can achieve.
And who are you?
Who are you? Yeah, the biggest question is what?
biggest
Who you are. The biggest question is that. We know everyone,
Yes.
but we are not able to know ourselves.
And one more question, that is, what are you?
Right? What you can do.
Yes.
राइट ना? इन सारे सवाल का जवाब आपको अगर ढूंढना है तो आपको खुद के साथ बैठना पड़ेगा, एंड आपको खुद को समझना होगा, राइट? और ये आपको इस दुनिया से जहाँ पर कि बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्शंस है, उस डिस्ट्रैक्शन से थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ेगा,
Yes.
राइट? और ये तब पॉसिबल है व्हेन यू आर डिटरमाइंड फॉर योर सक्सेस, व्हेन यू आर डिटरमाइंड फॉर योर एम, when you know what you are gonna do, and when you know what is your importance, okay? आपकी क्या वैल्यू है, जब ये बात समझ में आ जाएगी, you will not be distracted from the outer world, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It is a very true line that if you have a confidence, if you have a energy, interest, if you do your work with your interest, and one thing is that do the work, do that you love, do the work that you love. And it is the very beautiful point that I have shared with you. And one thing more, that you know your heart better than anyone does, and you don't have to try to make someone's like you. If they don't, that's their loss. And just keep moving and be charged and be focused.
Right.
You will
बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट
definitely
बातें कर रहे हैं कि
achieve
यू शुड नॉट बी रेलिवेंट फॉर एवरीवन.
success. Yes.
Yeah, don't show your worth to the world, yeah. Try to have self-worth. Self-worth is very important. खुद की वैल्यू तो करना शुरू करो. The world will value you, right? You're not just, a machine, okay? You're a human being. You have thought, you have feeling,
Yes.
right? And you have emotions, understand? And what should you do? If you collect all this beautiful quality and start bouncing back, what will happen? You will show your energy to this world, and after that everything will be sorted. Actually we are busy to work for others. खुद को दूसरों को सेटिस्फाई करने में तो पूरी वक्त ही बर्बाद कर देते हैं.
Yes.
We waste our important time to satisfy this world. One of my student, he always says this type of things. Okay, we are not born to satisfy anyone in this world. It is our life. It is our choice.
Yes,
Right?
it's very true line.
है ना. ये करने के पहले ये सब आएगा तब जब आप खुद में विश्वास करोगे और खुद को जानोगे.
Yes.
आपको पता ही नहीं है कि what you can do. आपको ये पता होगा तब ना कि आप क्या कर सकते हो, तभी तो you will statement, and that is very close to my heart, and this line if you apply, you will start distracting this world. Do what you love. जो पसंद है वो करो. If you are not able to do that, love what you do.
Yes.
अगर वो नहीं कर रहे हो ना, अगर नहीं कर पाते हो तो वो करना शुरू करो. क्या?
That you love.
जो काम आप कर रहे हो उसी को प्यार करना शुरू करो. Understand? Okay?
Yes.
It's very very important to satisfy yourself, right? कई बार ये होता है कि जो मुझे पसंद था वो नहीं मिला, तो जो मिला उसको ही हम पसंद नहीं करते. इसके चक्कर में क्या होता है? Our life become hell.
Yes.
No, जिंदगी नरक बन जाती है कि we don't love the thing what we have. And if you want to satisfy yourself, start loving what you have. Try to plug these stars, but if you're not able to plug these stars, make your stars.
Yes.
Simple. Try to touch the sky, but if you're not able to touch the sky, touch your roof. Enough. Understand? Because after all you have to live your life, and that
Yes.
too with a happiness. वो भी
Yes.
खुशियों के साथ. And if you're thinking about the gate which is closed for you, right? A lot of new gates are open for you, brother. Right? वो गेट जो बंद हो गया हमारे लिए, उसको देखते रहते वी वेस्ट आवर टाइम. अरे भाई, उसके बदले में कई सारे नए गेट खुल चुके हैं. ओपन, सी दैट
Yes.
गेट एंड एंटर इनटू दैट गेट एंड सी दैट इज फॉर यू. अंडरस्टैंड? या.
As sir said that if one gate is closed, that there is a lots of gate is open. That likewise if there is a way to go to Begusarai, and there is a way that is closed. And
Right, and now
that
it is happening actually.
Yes, sir.
हर रोड पे गड्ढे हैं, right? Now it
Yes.
is okay. And what happened? People are crying, रोड बंद, हम कैसे जाएं? अरे यार,
there
you're
is
walking
also
with
another way.
Yeah, you can walk on your feet, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. बट प्रॉब्लम भैया ये है कि पूरी जिंदगी, पूरे दिन, पूरे रात हमारे खुद में एक कंफ्यूजन चल रहा है. देयर इज अ ग्रेट फाइट, ओके, बिटवीन आवर माइंड एंड हार्ट.
Yes.
बड़ा तगड़ा फाइट चल रहा है. एवरी टाइम वी आर फाइटिंग, वी आर क्रिएटिंग कंफ्यूजन, वी आर नॉट एबल टू थिंक व्हाट शुड बी डू. यही नहीं सोच पाते व्हाट शुड बी डू. फॉर दिस आई वांट टू टेल यू, डोंट वर्क फॉर योर रिजल्ट,
Yes.
work for the clarity. If you're clear about your action, if you're clear about your result, if you're clear about your aim, if you're clear about your dream, you're gonna get it.
Yes.
Right? Understand? And this world is not doing anything with you. They are just confusing you. They are trying to make you confused, okay? And you value them actually, right? Don't value them. Did you see the cricket? Again and again, I'm talking about cricket now. It is today because IPL season is going on, and everybody has hangover of IPL. All right. So I want to tell you a very beautiful line, by the way. Audience makes noise. Players don't. Understand? I repeat. Audience makes noise. Players don't. Did you see that any players are distracted through the commotion because of crowd, because of loud noise? Anytime? Never. Because they are very, very focused.
Yes.
Right? Be focused like eagle, right? Yeah, please.
This
What do you want?
world is like a stone that always comes in your way, and that always try to make you fall down. That you have to side this stone and be focused and go toward your work and go toward what you want to achieve.
Right. यार दुनिया पत्थर तो बिछाएगी ना. You need to make them,
Yes.
that a stumbling block should not be, taken like that. That should be made, milestone.
Yes.
Right? उसको milestone बनाने की ज़रूरत है. All right. And one more thing I want to add here. That's a very important thing, and that is as I was talking about tussle going on between our mind and heart. A great tussle is going on all the time. Because of that we are confused and we are not able to know ourselves. खुद को नहीं जान पाते इसी वजह से. ठीक है ना. और इस टसल को क्रिएट करते हैं हमारे पड़ोस के लोग, और बहुत सारे लोग इसको क्रिएट भी करते हैं. राइट. सो एज आई टॉक्ड, यू नीड टू सिट विद योरसेल्फ. ओके. सो सिटिंग विद योरसेल्फ इज not very easy. Why is it?
Because we have a lots of distraction with us. That we have a lots of distraction with us that affect ourselves.
Right.
That don't sit with ourselves. That if we are going to do our homework, that time there is a distraction come that चलो थोड़ा मोबाइल देख लेते हैं, चलो थोड़ा खा लेते हैं, पी लेते हैं. This type of distraction come that then we go with the distraction and we go to see the mobile, go to eat and drink.
Right.
This type of distraction comes and that will affect you.
The distractions are natural here. It's not
Yes.
problem actually. Distractions are not problem for me, I think, right? Okay. If you are more passionate,
Yes.
if you are very clear, right? If you know what you are going to do, if you know what, if you start understanding your action is going to make an impact, okay? Understand? Automatically you will be, able to distract the distractions.
Yes.
राइट ना. प्रॉब्लम है हमें पता कहाँ है. वी डोंट नो ना कि हमारे वर्क से क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है. व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू डू.
Yes.
राइट. योर एवरी एक्शन इज मेकिंग एन इम्पैक्ट इन द सोसाइटी. अंडरस्टैंड. बट यू शुड बिलीव इन दैट. स्टार्टिंग में वो रिजल्ट दिखता नहीं है यार. ग्रेट थिंग्स टेक टाइम. ग्रेट थिंग्स टेक टाइम. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट चाइनीज बम्बू ट्री, it
Yes.
takes more than 6 years to
Grow.
suit the suit
Yes.
the seeds, right? It takes more than 6 years, but after that, if you look at that closely, you will see that it's growing
Fast.
very fast, right? Understand?
Yes.
When results are not visible, seeds, roots are growing. When results are not visible, roots are growing, right? To give a strength to that tree which are going to give you fruit. The tree which are going to bear the load of fruits. If the roots are weak, trees cannot handle the loads of sweet fruits, right? So it's not going to give you always fruits.
Yes.
12 महीने फुल ईयर्स मोस्टली कोई भी ट्रीज फल नहीं देता. right? Fruit time, we will get fruit. Root time, we will have to wait. Nahin? It's right, na?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
So please, if you are not having results right now, you are strengthening yourself.
Yes.
Right? Your roots are going deeper and deeper into the ground to give you the strength, okay, to give you power to stand even in the strongest wind. आंधी भी आ जाए तो you can easily stand erect. नहीं ना? You understand? So this is what we need to understand, okay? So our work, हमें तो दुनिया को नहीं पता. The world is not able to see the root.
Yes.
आपको तो पता है, you see the root. Now what are you doing? फिर कोई दुनिया आपको आगे डिस्ट्रैक्ट करती है तो why are you distracted? कोई आपको ये कहती है कि you are not giving fruits, you are not growing, where is the result? Why are you distracted? When somebody says, what are you getting with English? Why are you distracted? Somebody says, what will give this mathematics to you? Why are you distracted? गलती हमारी है ना.
Yes,
हम
sir.
उसको आज़ादी देते हैं ये कहने की. If this type of person comes to your life, what do you need to do? Don't slap him. Ignore him.
Ignore.
Yeah.
Yes. One thing is that we have to do our work with clarity.
Right.
If we will do our work with clarity, then we are able to achieve it.
Right. We are able to make a big result, right?
Yes.
हमें clarity के साथ काम करने की जरूरत है. Understand? Every tree knows that he has to go to give fruits, right?
Yes.
It doesn't care about the world, right? Understand?
Yes.
Even non-living things are attacked by their enemies. Same way, they are giving you power actually. Your critics give you power. Right?
Yes.
But करना है क्या आपको? Don't give the space on your head, right? उस तरह के लोगों को कदमों में रखिए, सर पे मत चढ़ाइए. Otherwise, they will hamper your decision.
Yes.
They will hamper you and they will drag you out of yourself. आपको क्या करेगा? आप खुद से बाहर निकाल देगा. And they will throw out in the world. But again and again, you need to try to be separate. You need to try to be with yourself, right? No. I don't belong to this world, okay? I belong to myself, and when I will know myself, this world will be mine. ये होनी चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Understand? क्या लगता है? मैंने कोचिंग सेंटर यहाँ पे खोला तो लोगों ने बोला वाओ, you're going to make difference, you're going to make the bigger impact, you're going to change the environment. भैया नहीं. People were writing abusive word on the wall.
Yes.
Yes, people tearing off my, what can I say, stickers, right? They were abusing in my YouTube channel, right? So it is the part of life,
Yes. If there is a positive thing,
right?
that there will be
And
always
this part of life
negative.
must be art of life. जिंदगी के हिस्से को art of life बना दो. Take everyone's, criticism, abuses, okay, like a strength. If people are starting abusing you, it means you are doing great jobs.
Yes.
ना? अगर लोग गाली देना शुरू कर दे, समझ लो कि तुम दिल में नहीं बस सकते ना, दिमाग में तो हो तुम उसके.
Yes, as there is in a music of Amibe one time that I was listening that जब चार लोग करेंगे तेरी बुराई तो समझ जाना तू मचा रहा है तबाही. This is the thing that you have said.
Right. मतलब समझ में आ रहा है. You understand? This should be your influencer. आपका वो influencer होना चाहिए. If somebody is abusing you, it's fine. Somebody is stopping you, it's fine. Somebody is you trying to obstruct your way, it's fine. Somebody is trying to tell you you're not doing a good job, that's great, no problem, okay? You do your job, I'm doing my job, right? आप अपना काम करो, मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. Understand? इस तरह की passion हो जाए ना, तो you can bear, a fountain. You can create a fountain in the desert.
Yes.
आप डेजर्ट में
Fountain.
फाउंटेन बना सकते हो. अंडरस्टैंड है. बट यू नीड क्लियर कट फोकस एंड ग्रेट पैशन. यू नीड टू नो योरसेल्फ. आपको पता होना चाहिए आई कैन डू. द वर्ल्ड शुड नॉट नो यू मोर देन योरसेल्फ. आपको दुनिया आपसे ज़्यादा अगर जान गई ना, उसी दिन तुम फेल हो. एक बात तो तय रखो, हमेशा किसी के चर्चा में रहने की कोशिश करो, राइट। एक हीरोइन है, हर नेम इज राखी सावंत, राइट।
Yes.
एक्टिंग ज़ीरो, डांसिंग ज़ीरो, एवरीथिंग ज़ीरो, बट शी इज़ ऑलवेज इन न्यूज।
Yes.
वो रहती है हमेशा न्यूज़ में, राइट।
Controversy.
कंट्रोवर्सी क्वीन उसको बोला जाता है, राइट।
Yes.
अंडरस्टैंड। और ऐसा ऐसा कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट करती है कि पीपल आर वेरी इंटरेस्टेड टू वॉच दैट। अभी कुछ दिन पहले एक एपिसोड आया था, दैट वाज आदिल एंड राखी।
Okay.
भाई शादी हो गया क्या? इट मीन्स व्हाट? शी नोज I should be in the news, but I'm not telling you do that actually, right? That's not a right way, right? I'm telling you be in the news, okay, for the right purpose. और उसमें भी लोग अगर गाली देता है, that's not your job. You do your job, right?
Yes.
आप अपना काम करो बस, understand? और ये सब तभी होगा जब आप खुद को जानोगे, राइट। जब आप खुद के पोटेंशियल को जानोगे, जब आप खुद की एनर्जी को समझोगे, जब आप खुद के पैशन को समझोगे, राइट। अभी ये बात मेरी छोटी लगेगी आपको, बट वक्त आएगा, दिस स्टेटमेंट विल क्रिएट स्टर इन दिस सोसाइटी। आई एम टेलिंग यू, वी शुड बी दिस मच कॉन्फिडेंस। क्या होगा? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वी विल फेल। अभी भी हंस रहे हो, बाद में भी हंसना यार, right now you're laughing at me right now, you will laugh in the future. Why should we worry about that? Actually, I'm giving my best, okay, I'm satisfied, okay, I'm happy, okay, what I'm doing, it is giving me, pleasure, it's giving me satisfaction, it is satiating me, right? I'm done, I achieved what I want to achieve, right?
Yes.
I don't need your definition of success for my satisfaction.
Yes.
Right? यही तो दिक्कत है ना, हमें दूसरों के डेफिनेशन में विश्वास होता है। आई विल क्रिएट माई डेफिनेशन ऑफ माई सक्सेस, राइट। और यही होता है, एवरीबडी हैज अ डिफरेंट डेफिनेशन ऑफ सक्सेस, राइट ना। इट विल बी पॉसिबल व्हेन यू स्टार्ट गिविंग टाइम टू योरसेल्फ। खुद को जानने की कोशिश करो। यू आर वेरी वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मशीन यार। इंसान बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मशीन है। अगर वो खुद को जान गया ना, दे विल इजीली नो द वर्ल्ड।
Yes. When you will achieve your success very easily, that time if you will become popular, that time your popularity will be once in a black moon, means like a 4 दिनों की चांदनी. It will be as 4 दिन के बाद वो खत्म ही हो जाए. मतलब easily success is not
Easy success is not permanent, right? Yeah.
Good things.
सक्सेस के 3 फॉर्मूला है यार। यू शुड बी इंटरेस्टेड, यू शुड बी मोटिवेटेड, यू शुड बी रिपीटेड।
Yes.
ठीक है। अब ये कब होगा? इंटरेस्टेड रहोगे तभी मोटिवेटेड हो पाओगे, रिपीटेड तभी हो पाओगे जब लगेगा कि नहीं, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग मेकिंग अ डिफरेंस। जो आप करते हो वो अंतर पैदा करता है। अगर ये विश्वास हो गया तो यू विल क्रिएट हिस्ट्री। हमें तो यही विश्वास नहीं है कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ इससे कुछ फर्क भी पड़ता है। यू शुड नो योर एक्शन इज मेकिंग डिफरेंस,
Yes.
राइट ना। यहाँ लोग काम कर रहे हैं ना भाई, लोग ये जो जॉब करते हैं ना, इट इज सेड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। आई जस्ट रेड अ बुक, यू कैन विन, दैट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बुक। इफ यू वांट टू रीड, यू कैन रीड, ओके, रिटन बाय शिव खेरा, राइट, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बुक। इन दैट बुक इट वाज रिटन वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लाइन, दैट वाज कि 85% पीपल आर नॉट हैप्पी विद देयर एम्प्लॉयर्स, राइट। दे आर नॉट हैप्पी इन देयर जॉब्स। Only 15% people are happy. Okay, and those 15% people are, dragging, pulling the load of that 85% people.
Yes.
And people sitting in their office, okay, अरे यार मज़ा नहीं आ रहा यार, लाइफ बहुत मुश्किल चल रहा है यार, राइट। जॉब में अच्छा नहीं है यार, सुबह से लेकर शाम तक यार मेहनत करना पड़ता, खड़े रहना पड़ता। ए लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दे क्राई, यू ऑलवेज क्राई, व्हाई? यू आर नॉट हैप्पी, लीव द जॉब।
Yes.
ऐसे लोगों से दूरी बना कर रखिए, वो कभी जॉब नहीं छोड़ता। मेरे लाइफ में ऐसी बात आई, एक बंदा है इन माई आई वाज देयर इन दैट कंपनी, ओके, व्हाट हैपेंड, ही इज स्टिल वर्किंग इन दैट कंपनी एंड ही वाज ऑलवेज क्राइंग। Every day he was telling, I am going to leave the job, I am going to leave the job, but still he is working, right? Since 5 years, past, he has not left the job yet, okay? He is still in that company. So understand, There are the people who will criticize you, right? Don't let them affect you.
Yes.
Their thoughts should not affect you. If that is affecting you, try to keep yourself aside. अगर वो उनकी बातें आप पे अफेक्ट करने लगी, खुद को अलग रखना शुरू कर दो. You have great potential. Seriously, you have great power, right? But you're just okay. I mean, 1 inch away, I can say. That is, you must know yourself. Start knowing. कोशिश करिए समझने की कि आप में कितनी एनर्जी है, आप में कितना पोटेंशियल है, आप में कितना पावर है, आप क्या कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अगर ये सब चीज़ हो गया, you don't need anyone's approval.
Yes.
Yes, you don't need anyone's approval. You don't need anyone's acceptance, right? Understand? You don't need anyone's happiness for you. So, life is a race. Let's run for our success and believe in your feet, right? Understand? Work with yourself, okay? Try to strengthen yourself. खुद को ताकत देने की कोशिश करो, right? Understand? And you can do it, right? So you can do it seriously. You can subscribe the channel right now, okay? And share this beautiful video to everyone, all your relatives, in all the contacts, okay? All your friends. Many beautiful things are going to come, right?
Yes.
And we are trying to spread happiness, motivation, okay, through English, you can say. We are visiting in the village and we are trying to make something new, right? Thank you very much.